Hi, I'm Nasrat, Almay's global makeup artist, and I'm showing you how to create a New Year's Eve makeup look going out on the night of the town. For a flawless finish, I'm going to start off by using the Clear Complexion in shade Natural Tan, 1 full pump. Using the Clear Complexion Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use it under my eye and on the face. For a brow game so strong, I'm using the Brow Styler in shade Dark Brown. For a dramatic eye makeup look, I'm going to use Black Lightning shade in the Velvet Foil Cream Shadow, using a little bit of this on the back of my lids up to the crease and just layering it. The Smoky Eye Trio in Lavender Haze is one of my favorites. I love the gray shade on here, and I just layer that on the back of my lids. In the same palette, I'm using the silvery shade into the inner corner of my eyes. Lining my lash line with a liquid liner in shade Brown, just for a little bit of definition. To intensify my eyes, I'm going to use the Espresso eyeliner in the Gel Smooth Liner in the waterline. To pump up my lashes, I'm using the Multi-Benefit Mascara, 2 coats each. I'm using the Powder Bronzer in SUNKISSED. I'm going to chisel my cheekbones and give myself a little bit of warmth. A little bit of the powder blush in shade Mauve onto my cheekbones. Using the Instant Glow Highlighting Duo in shade Talk Pinky to Me. I'm adding it onto my cheekbones, my Cupid's bow, and down to the bridge of the nose. Keeping the lips neutral, I'm using Sleep Later shade in the Lip Vibes. And we're going to top it with a Goddess Gloss in shade Cosmic. And to finish the look, I'm going to use the Make Them Jelly Highlight in 24 Karat Dreams and add that onto my cheekbones. Thanks for watching my New Year's Eve makeup look for going out on the town. I hope you liked it, and Happy New Year's!